So they also notice that the eyes are very prominent. Their eyes also help them see at night, so they can hunt out their insects. And tree frogs are carnivorous. Carnivorous means just meat eating. And what they mainly eat is insects. And insects are animals and mostly protein. So that's what they eat. So there are some tree frogs that are highly colored, and some animals know those frogs to be poisonous. This tree frog is not poisonous, and they can be found in southern Mexico, throughout Central America, and northern South America. And they hide in rainforest canopies, and they love to eat crickets, flies, and moths with their long sticky tongues. So remember, we were talking about before that frogs have a long tongue with a sticky pad at the end, and it sticks to its insect for eating. And so when a female red-eyed tree frog, is ready to lay their eggs, they lay their eggs underneath a leaf, on the bottom side of a leaf, over a pond. And when the tadpoles are swimming in their egg, when they're getting bigger and they're ready to burst out of the egg, guess where they fall? They fall right into the pond. And then the tadpoles start swimming around in the pond, and then they feed on tiny insects until they metamorphose and they develop little brown froglets. And then they leave the water and climb up onto the nearby trees and live as tree frogs. And by the time they become an adult, they turn this striking green and blue and yellow striped sides with their orange or red feet. And they have a flash of blue on their thighs and their big red eyes. And again, their color is their adaptation. It's their defense mechanism. And then being green, what do you think that helps them? Being green on top. As you can notice, he's surrounded by green leaves, so he's also camouflaged. And then also, frogs have two eyelids. They have an eyelid that's constantly over their eye, and this eyelid just helps protect the eye and keep it moist, but I think it also has another thicker eyelid that actually closes the eye. And then the frog will open it when it's awake, ready to go hunt, or if it's trying to startle a predator. And so these tree frogs are not endangered, and they are doing well. And that's our tree frog.